What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys what my Buschurs Racing 3-inch exhaust sounds like on my Evo 8. It is the old school version, so I'm thinking about upgrading to the new school version, but I figured I'd just hop on here and do a quick sound check, because I think all the videos that I saw on this exhaust were really old, like 10 years old, or poor sound quality clips, so just figured we'd do an updated version. But I just wanted to show you guys what the Buschurs Racing 3-inch exhaust sounds like on my Evo 8. Mine is a little raspy, and I'm not 100% sold on it. Let's put this up here. Let's put this up. Yeah, let's run a little light. All right, so just for reference, I am running a Gons Evo T3 turbo kit with the 44mm wastegate on a 62-66 turbo, full 3-inch all the way back down with a screamer pipe. So this connects over to the Buschurs Racing 3-inch downpipe, and that gives us a sound. But like I said, it sounds a little raspy. I don't know if I like it or not. I've been struggling with the sound, but all right, here's the Buschurs 3-inch exhaust setup. This is the old school, so it's got this big Magnaflow muffler. I am kind of thinking about swapping it for their like slimmer muffler. Apparently this is supposed to make it real quiet. I do think it's a little too quiet for my liking, so I'm thinking about just swapping out that muffler, see if that makes a difference in the noise, because for some reason this just seems a little too quiet at idle, especially compared to my last Evo. But yep, that is the Buschurs 3-inch exhaust. I don't know if you can see all the way up there.